Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I'm going to be a Karen tonight and say I want to talk to the manager. I really want to talk to the manager of Olight because, man, you really are taking my money and it's got to stop. So I went on their website for the free gift for the February sale, and this is what I got. It doesn't look like just a small little flashlight, does it? So let's get into the box, see what I got, and yeah, there we go. First off is the Olight O bag. It's the EDCS tactical bag. It's 500D Couture nylon, YKK zippers with a MOLLE system. It rarely retails for $19.95, but I had a $10 off coupon, so why the heck not? I added it to my cart. So I'm gonna do a review on this at a later date, but pretty neat little bag. Plenty of storage options. So that's the O bag, tactical bag. I like the bag that it came in too. I'm a sucker for packaging. Well, so next item is an Olight pop socket. This is a free gift that I wasn't expecting. Pretty cool. Thank you, Olight. And the infamous i3E, the free gift. I went on there just to get, and I somehow had everything added to my cart. I don't know how it happened. That's my story. But if you've ever watched the EDC video, you've probably seen one of these, so I'm not going to open it up. Next item on the list, and I want to thank Florida Boy EDC for turning me on to this. I was planning on buying this at a certain time, at some time, but not at this time. But I couldn't pass it up. It's the Olight Freeze 2. It regularly retails for $79.99, but for the sale I got it for $51 and change. But so they always come with a challenge coin. That's the Freeze 2 on one side and the Olight logo on the other. It's a pretty little knife. Aluminum scales, 154 cm stainless steel blade. The blade itself is 3.32 inches long. Liner lock, and it looks like reversible pocket clip. 3.84 ounces, and neat little knife. I do like my drop points, I really do. So I'll give you a size comparison. That is the Civivi Elementum, a very dirty Elementum, and the Ontario Rat number 1. So it kind of comes in between those two. So Olight and Olight, they are robbing me blind. I mean, my bank account is not liking this, but whatever. You only live once. So I'll put this stuff away. But the real star of the show is coming up. And to be honest with you, I need another flashlight like I need a hole in the head. But the Warrior Mini 2 limited edition in black lava. I mean, I couldn't pass it up. The Warrior Mini 2s normally retail for $89.99. I was able to pick it up for $57 and change. And there she is. What a beauty. I haven't charged it, so I'm not going to turn it on just yet. But she is a beauty. I've never held or seen a Warrior Mini 2 in real life, but it Has a max lumens of 1750. Max runtime on 1 lumen for 45 days. I don't know if it's I didn't write it down in my notes, but I don't know if it's on turbo or on high that has a 220 meter throw, which is looks like 725 feet. I can't read my own writing, but so you get this ring here. But I'm not gonna keep it on there. But I imagine that's what that's for. Kind of odd. Be a nice key ring, I guess. Not really, a little big for keys. Get a lanyard and the proprietary, I can't even get that word out, proprietary charging cable. It's pretty cool that you can just charge it on his tail. You know, just pull it off when you leave for the day, and then you come back at the end of the day and you put it on. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that is my February haul for Olight. And like I said, you really gotta stop taking my money. But it is what it is. So, as always, I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.